So all of you mute your mic. So let us start the session. Today we are going to do some second set of multiple choice questions from chapter number 15, probability. So let us start with the first question. If P of E is equals to 0.35, then the probability of not E is what? So what we have to do? We have to subtract it from 1. 1 minus 0.35. कितना होगा?
0.65.
Right. 0.65. So the correct option is C. Right. Now the next question. The probability of throwing a number greater than 2 with a fair die. See, for die, total number of outcome is 6, and greater than 2, how many outcomes are there? 4. So 4 by 6. So which option is the correct one? 2 by 3, right. Option A. Now we are moving toward question number 3. Which of the following cannot be the probability of an event? Probability is always less than or equal to 1 or greater than or equals to 0. So here only one option in which we are getting it is greater than 1. So that is not possible. So the correct option is D. Now we are moving toward question number 4. Which of the following cannot be the probability of an event? Again, 1.5, right? Because it is greater than 1. Next question. A card is drawn at random from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards. The probability of getting a black ace. So, how many black aces are there? 2. So, 2 by 52. That means, what is the correct option?
1 by 26.
Right, 1 upon 26. Now we are moving toward question number 6. A card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 playing cards. The probability that the card will not be an ace is. So ace 4 होते हैं. So ace वो 4 card नहीं होना चाहिए. So what is the favorable outcomes? Number of favorable outcomes? 48, right. So 48 upon 52. So the correct option is 12 by 30, right, C bit. Now we are moving toward question number 7. Cards bearing numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, so on up to 11 are kept in a bag. A card is drawn at random from the bag. The probability of getting a card with a prime number. So first of all, what is the total number of cards?
10.
Total number of cards?
10.
10, right, very good. So prime numbers 1 11 तक कौन-कौन से होते हैं? 2, 3,
2, 3, 5, 7.
5, 7 and 11. Okay. So 5 numbers are there. So what is the probability?
5 by 10.
5 by 10, that is
1 by 2.
1 by 2, right. Next question. 2 dice are thrown together. The probability of getting the same number on 2 dice, उसको doublets भी बोलते हैं. 6 doublets are there. 6 same numbers are there. So our total number of outcomes is 36. So what is the answer? 6 upon
1 by 6.
Yes, 6 upon 36. That is 1 by 6. So C bit is the correct answer. Now we are moving toward question number 9. The probability of a non-leap year having 53 Mondays is. ठीक है. Non-leap year में कितने days होते हैं?
365.
365, right. तो 365 को हम लोग कैसे लिख सकते हैं? देखो, if you divide it by 7, तो you will get quotient 52, right, plus 1. That means इसमें 52 Mondays होंगे, and we have to see the probability of this 1 day left. So 1 day left, how many total of possible outcomes are there for 1 day? 7. Either Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. उसमें Monday कितने बार आया? 1. So the probability of getting 53 Mondays is 1 by 7. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. यही क्वेश्चन अभी और आगे आएगा लीप ईयर के लिए, ठीक है? दैट वी विल सी लेटर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 10. A die is thrown once. The probability of getting a prime number. So 3 prime numbers we will get 2, 3, 5. So 3 by 6 and correct option is
1 by 2.
1 by 2, right. Now we are moving towards question number 11. A box contains 90 discs numbered from 1 to 90. if one disc is drawn at random from the box, the probability that it bears prime number less than 23. चलो लेस देन 23 हम लोग प्राइम नंबर्स काउंट करते हैं, ठीक है. 2, 3, 5, नेक्स्ट नंबर 7, नेक्स्ट 11, नेक्स्ट 13, नेक्स्ट 17, नेक्स्ट 19. बस हो गया ना, लेस देन 23 बोला है. देखो कितने ऑप्शंस आए. How many options we got? 8. So 8 by 90. So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C. Very good. 4 by 45. Now we'll move toward question number 12. A box contains cards numbered from 6 to 50. A card is drawn at random from the probability. The probability that the drawn card has a number which is a perfect square. Now total number of cards कितने हैं इसमें?
45.
45. Very good. Total number of cards are 45. And how many perfect squares are there? See, we will count first. 9, 1 यहाँ पे नहीं है और 2 भी नहीं है, 4 भी नहीं है, ठीक है. तो 9 से काउंट करेंगे. 9, नेक्स्ट 16, 25, 36, 49. कितने?
5.
Yes, 5 by 45. So which is the correct answer?
Option C.
Option C, that is 1 by 9. Right. Now we are moving toward question number 13. A coin is tossed twice. The probability of getting both heads is dash. So coin को जब दो बार टॉस करते हैं तो 4 आउटकम्स आता है, ठीक है. हेड, हेड और टेल. 2-1 कोड रेगुलर क्लास में बताया था मैंने. नेक्स्ट इज HT. So total number of outcomes are 4. In all the 4 outcomes, only 1 outcomes we have in both heads. So the probability is
1 by 4.
1 by 4. Right. Next, 14th question. In a family of 3 children, the probability of having at least 1 boy. देखो इसको हम लोग हेड वो 3 कॉइन्स के साथ में कोरिलेट करते हैं, ठीक है. 3 कॉइन्स में मैंने बताया था नंबर ऑफ कॉइन्स 0, 1, 2, 3. तो अभी मैं बॉय को हेड ले लेता हूँ और गर्ल को टेल ले लेता हूँ, ठीक है. तो ये बॉय का मैं लिख रहा हूँ 1, 1, 3, 3. डू यू रिमेंबर?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. एटलीस्ट 1 बॉय बोला है. दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू एटलीस्ट 1 बॉय मीन्स ग्रेटर दैन इक्वल्स टू 1. So which is the correct answer?
7 by 8.
Very good. 7 by 8. Total number of outcomes 8 and greater than equals to 1 we have 7. Now we are moving toward 15th question. The probability that a number selected at random from the number 1, 2, 3 up to 15 is a multiple of 4. So total numbers are 15 and 1 to 15 कितने होते हैं multiples of 4?
3.
3. So probability is 3 by 15. Correct option?
Option
1
C.
by 5.
Option C, 1 by 5. Right. So now we are moving toward the next question, question number 16. देखो ये leap year वाला आ गया. The probability of getting 53 Fridays in a leap year is. Just now I told you that 365. But leap year में कितने days होते हैं?
366.
366. Right. So 366 when you divide it by 7, you will get 52 into 7. प्लस 2 रिमाइंडर. अब ये 2 ऑप्शन जो बचा हुआ है इसके बारे में हम लोग सोचेंगे, ठीक है. तो इसमें 53 फ्राइडेज में 52 फ्राइडे कंफर्म है. ओनली 53rd फ्राइडे के लिए वी हैव टू सी हाउ मेनी ऑप्शंस आर देयर. सी फर्स्ट डे अगर मंडे होगा, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे एंड संडे. राइट. तो सेकेंड डे क्या होगा? ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे. ऐसा तो नहीं मंडे के बाद फ्राइडे आता है या मंडे के बाद वेडनेसडे आता है. अगर फर्स्ट डे मंडे होगा तो सेकेंड डे ट्यूसडे होगा. दिस इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
अदरवाइज 7 into 7 49 पेयर्स बना सकते हैं, लेकिन वो 49 पेयर्स यहाँ पे पॉसिबल नहीं है. सो फ्राइडे के बाद सैटरडे, Saturday के बाद Sunday, and Sunday के बाद Monday. So here also we have total 7 options are there for 2 days left. And now we have to see in how many options Fridays are there. In how many options we have Friday?
2.
2. So the probability is 2 by 7. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
This is very important question. Okay, now we are moving toward question number 17. The probability of an impossible event is dash. 0? Right. 18th question. A number is selected at random from the numbers 1 to 30. The probability that it is a prime number is. Already we have seen 1 to 20, 8 prime number था. Right? 1 to 28 prime number था. 23 के बाद नेक्स्ट नंबर
27.
29.
29, बस इतना ही है. उसके बाद 30, क्योंकि 1 to 30 है ना, so that means 10 prime numbers are there. So the probability is 10 by 30.
30.
Which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option
Option
C.
C, right. So now we are moving toward question number 19. If two different dice are rolled together, the probability of getting an even number on both the dice. चलो, total number of outcomes is 36. So दोनों में even number होना चाहिए. तो first हम लोग even लेते हैं. 2 के साथ में 2, 4, 6. ये 3 ऑप्शन आ गया. 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6. 4 के साथ में भी 2, 4 and 6. So और 6 बच गया. 6 के साथ में भी 2, 4, 6. Right? So all together we have 9 options. 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6. 4, 2, 4, 4, 4, 6. 6, 2, 6, 4, 6, 6. Right? क्योंकि इसमें दोनों डाइस में इवन नंबर बोला है. अगर एक डाइस में इवन नंबर होता तो हम लोग के पास चॉइस दूसरा होता, मतलब ऑप्शन ज़्यादा होता. सो टोटल 9 आ रहा है. 9 upon 36. व्हाट इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन?
Option D.
Option D. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So 20 question. A card is selected at random from a well shuffled deck of 52 playing cards. The probability of its being a face card. So total face cards are
12.
12. So 12 by 52. Correct answer?
Option A.
Option A. Right. 3 by 30. Now we are moving toward question number 21. A bag contains 3 red balls, 5 white balls and 7 black balls. What is the probability that a ball drawn from the bag is random will be neither red nor black? First you tell me what is the total number of balls?
15.
15. So neither red nor black means white ball.
Yes,
Only white ball we have to take. ठीक है, red भी नहीं होना चाहिए, black भी नहीं होना चाहिए. So white ball. So the probability is 5 by 15. Correct answer?
1 by
3.
1 by 3. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 22. If one card is drawn at random from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards, the probability of getting an ace is dash. How many ace cards do you have?
4.
4. So 4 upon 52. What is the correct answer?
1 by 13.
1 by 13. Right. Now we are moving toward question number 23. If the probability of winning a game is 0.3, what is the probability of losing the game?
0.7.
0.7. Right. We have to subtract it from 1. 1 minus 0.3, we will get 0.7. Now next question, 24th. In a simultaneous tossing of 2 coins, the probability of getting 2 heads is. अभी थोड़ी देर पहले हम लोग किए थे both head. So both head और 2 heads एक ही है. अगर हम लोग 2 coins toss कर रहे हैं तो outcomes क्या क्या होंगे देखो. 2 heads, 2-1 code follow करेंगे. 2 head, 2 tail, then 1 head, 1 tail. So total 4 outcomes are there. Otherwise also you can use this formula, 2 to the power n. n is the number of coins. So 2 to the power 2 is 4. और इसमें 2 heads एक ही बार आ रहा है. So answer is 1 by 4. That is the correct option is D. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Right. So now we are moving toward question number 25. In a simultaneous tossing of 3 coins, द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग 2 हेड्स। मैंने कहा था जब भी तुम मतलब एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस करोगे विद रिस्पेक्ट टू 3 कॉइन्स 4 कॉइन्स, तो एक चीज याद रखना है, नंबर ऑफ हेड्स और टेल्स, राइट। 3 कॉइन्स अगर टॉस कर रहे हैं तो 0 1 2, इमीडिएटली रफ में ये लिख लो, यहाँ पे 1 1 करो, और हम लोग 3 कॉइन टॉस कर रहे हैं तो 3 3, बस हो गया। सो यहाँ पे 2 हेड्स कितने बार आया?
3 times.
3 times out of 8. So the correct answer is actually 3 by 8 है, right? 3 by 8. So 3 by 8 यहाँ पे ऑप्शन नहीं है। इसको करेक्ट करते हैं, चलो एक काम करते हैं, गेटिंग एटलीस्ट 2 हेड, गेटिंग, मैं क्वेश्चन करेक्ट कर रहा हूँ, एटलीस्ट 2 heads, right? So at least 2 heads means 2 and 3 we have to count both. So what is the answer then?
1 by 2.
1 by 2, that is 4 by 8, 1 by 2. So the correct answer is A. Okay, next question. If in a lottery there are 8 prizes and 16 blanks, the probability of getting a prize is dash. So 8 prizes and 16 blanks. So total कितने हैं इसमें?
24.
24. और प्राइज है 8. So what is the probability of getting prize?
1 by 3.
1 by 3.
8 by 24, that is 1 by 3. Right, now we are moving toward question number 27. In a simultaneous tossing of 3 coins, what is the probability of getting at most 1 head? Already ऊपर मैं लिखा हूँ, at most मतलब less than or equal to 1. So that means we have to take these two. Clear? So what is the answer?
Option B.
4 by 8.
Yes, 4 by 8, that is option
1 by
B,
2.
1 by 2. Now we are moving to question number 28. In a throw of a pair of dice, the probability of getting a doublet. So total number of outcomes 36, and how many doublets we have?
6.
6.
Six.
So the probability is 6 by 36. What is the correct answer? Option
1 by
1 by 6, that is B bit. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 29. Which of the following cannot be the probability of an event?
Option B.
Option B.
Option B. Less 0 से छोटा नहीं होता, right? The probability of any event is less than equals to 1 or greater than equals to 0. Now we are moving toward question number 30. If one card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards, the probability of getting a black face cards. So how many black face cards are there?
4.
6. 6 black face card. So what is the probability then? 6 by 52. Correct answer?
Option C.
Option C, that is 3 by 26, right? Okay, now we are moving toward question number 31. A card is drawn from a well shuffled pack of 52 playing cards. The probability that the card is a black or a club. What is the color of club?
Black. Black.
अगर हम लोग पूरा ब्लैक कार्ड ले लेते हैं तो ये भी आ गया इसी में,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
right? So what is the probability then? 26 by
20 by
52.
52.
That is 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
ये क्वेश्चन क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now question number 32. There are 25 tickets, ticket numbers as 1, 2, 3 up to 25 respectively. If one ticket is drawn at random, the probability that the number on the ticket is a multiple of 3 or 5. सबसे पहले 1 से 25 तक कितने मल्टीपल्स हैं 3 के?
8.
8.
8, राइट, मैं यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ, चलो 8. और कितने मल्टीपल्स 5 के हैं?
5.
5.
5.
5.
अब इसमें जो कॉमन है वो 1 है, कौन सा? 15, राइट? 15 3 में भी है और 5 में भी है ना, तो उसको एक ही बार काउंट करना है। तो और कभी भी और के साथ में हम लोग जब सॉल्व करेंगे तो ध्यान से देखो, ऐड बोथ एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट कॉमन। सो कितना आ रहा है? 12, राइट? सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज
Option C.
12 upon 25, that is C bit. This is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now we are moving toward question number 33. Same question hai. That is, there are 25 tickets bearing numbers from 1 to 25. One ticket is drawn at random. The probability that a number on it is a multiple of 5 or 6. So 5 के multiples 5 है और 6 का जो multiple है 4 है. And whether there is any common number which is multiple of 5 and 6 both from 1 to 25.
No, sir.
नहीं है. So दोनों को बस ऐड कर दो. So 9 by 25. Option
B.
B.
option B. Right. Now we are moving toward question number 34. Two unbiased dice are thrown. The probability that the total score is more than 5. चलो अभी इसमें जो हम लोग जो टेक्निक किए थे, पहले तो नंबर लिख लो 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 जो सम है 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, 11, 12. राइट. अब ऊपर से काउंट करो 1, 2. Simultaneously you have to count from bottom also 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, नीचे भी 5 और यहाँ पर आके रुक जाओ 6. सो क्वेश्चन में क्या बोला है? टोटल स्कोर इज मोर देन 5. मोर देन 5 मतलब 6 से लेकर 12 तक. सो हाउ मेनी आउटकम्स वी हैव? द टोटल स्कोर इज मोर देन 5.
26.
26.
26. Correct? So the correct answer is 26 upon 36. Total number of outcomes 36. So which option is the correct one?
Option D.
Option D.
Option D. ये सबको समझ में आया कि नहीं?
Yes. Yes.
ये सम है. This is sum. Already मैं क्लास में समझाया था. And this is the total number of outcomes with respect to that particular sum. Okay. The correct answer is 13 upon 18. Okay. That is D bit. Now next question. Question number 35. What is the probability of a vowel in the word Hindu? Hindu में कितने letters हैं? First
5.
5. And how many vowels are there?
2.
2. I and U. So what is the probability?
2 by 5.
2 by 5. Very good. Next question, 36th. Total 40 questions हैं. If a card is drawn at random from a pack of 52 playing cards, the probability that the card drawn is neither an ace nor a king. So ace card और king card दोनों independent events हैं. Independent means there is no common between those two. So ace 4 है और king भी 4 है. So 4 plus 4 8 cards नहीं होना चाहिए. So कितने cards होंगे फिर?
44.
44, right. So the probability is 44 by 52. What is the correct answer?
Option A.
11 by 13.
Option A, that is 11 by 13, right. So now we are moving toward the next question, question number 37. A bag contains 5 black balls, 4 white balls and 3 red balls. If a ball is selected random, the probability that it is a black or red ball. So first of all, what is the total number of balls?
12.
12, right. 5 plus 4 plus 3 is 12. और कितने black और red ball है?
8.
8. So the probability is 8 upon 12. So
2
which
by
is the
3.
which is the correct option?
Option D.
Option D, that is 2 by 3. Correct, very good. Now we are moving toward question number 38. In a single throw of 2 dice, the probability of getting a total of 8 is dash. देखो मैंने बताया था 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. नीचे से काउंट करना स्टार्ट करो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. सो कितने आउटकम्स में टोटल सम आया? 8,
5.
5, right. So the answer is 5 by 36. So which option is the correct one?
Option A.
Option A, right. तो देखो जैसे जब भी ये सम वाला क्वेश्चन आया तो इमीडिएटली रफ साइड में ये कर लो. अगर ये करोगे तो वो पूरा लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है कि 2, 6, 3, 5 ऑप्शंस लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, राइट. नाउ वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड क्वेश्चन नंबर 39. द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ड्राइंग अ रेड किंग और a red queen from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards. So how many red kings are there?
2.
2. How many red queen?
2.
2. So 2 plus 2, 4. So correct answer is 4 by 52. Which option is the correct one?
Option A.
Option A, that is 1 by 13. Now we are moving towards question number 40. The probability that a leap year would have exactly 52 Tuesdays. देखो लीप ईयर में भी हम लोग को 52 इंटू 7 प्लस 2 आया था और नॉन लीप ईयर में दैट इज ऑर्डिनरी ईयर में 52 इंटू 7 प्लस 1 आया था. तो 52 ट्यूसडे कंफर्म है. Only we have checked in the previous question for 53rd. So what is the probability here?
1.
1. Very good. Because this is a sure event. 52 Tuesday confirm होगा. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.